So we're in Mega Cloud Stacker Factory. This is the Pro version, and we have 4 cloud accounts to set up, and we're going to start off with the Amazon AWS account. So open a browser window, go to aws.amazon.com. If you already have an Amazon account, you can log in with your credentials. You don't have to create a new credential for the AWS. And otherwise, you do want to create an account and set up your payment processing information, and there is a tutorial on how to do that if you need help. So for now, I'm going to log into my account. You just have to pick which one I want to log into. Okay, so we're in the AWS Management Console, and we want all services, and we're coming to storage, and we want S3. So we click on Create Bucket. You want to enter an SEO significant name. No caps and no spaces. And we want it in US East Virginia, and click Next. And this can all remain as is. Click on Next. And we want to uncheck block all public access. We don't want Amazon to have write access to the bucket. We just want them to have read access. Click Next and click Create Bucket. Okay, so we want to confirm that we want this public access. Click Confirm and click on Confirm. Now you want to come up to the top right corner, click on the drop down arrow beside your account name and click on My Security Credentials. So continue to Security Credentials. Click on Access Keys, and you can only create 2 access keys in your AWS account. I don't know what this goes to, so I'm going to make it inactive and delete. Okay, and now I can create new access keys. Now make sure that you keep track of these because you will never see these again. So store them someplace safely, or you have to come back and make inactive and delete. So I'm going to add this to my Evernote. Okay, so there we have our AWS access keys. So now I will take my access keys. There's my access keys. I'll now go to the software. Okay, so this new access key has been added. And that wraps up this tutorial.